Welcome to Leo's Playtime! Hi Leo! What do you have here today?
Bubblegum machines.
Bubblegum machines? What kind of bubblegum machines do you have?
Bubblegums are the colors pink, blue, red, orange, white, red.
But this one doesn't need any money, and this one does need money. Do you have money? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 coins. So you're gonna buy 8 bubble gums from this bubblegum machine? Okay, Leo, let's take a look at this bubblegum machine.
Does it have red?
I think the bubblegum is still in the bag, so we have to open this one so we can take the bubblegum out.
Yes.
Can you open it?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, put the bubblegums inside the ball.
Open it.
Yeah.
Mini.
Good job. Okay, now go ahead and put the top back on. Okay, Leo, are you ready to put a coin inside?
Yes.
Okay, you're gonna put a coin in there. Turn it.
Yeah.
What color did we get?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, go ahead and put that one down. Okay, now let's check and see what this one gives us. Okay,
Okay.
okay, go ahead and turn it. Whoa,
White.
white.
Okay, 2 bubblegums.
Yes, 2 bubble gums. Okay, what color do you think is gonna come out next in this one?
Blue.
Okay, try. Green! It's green!
Okay.
You got a green bubble gum. Okay, Leo, what color do you think is gonna come out?
Blue.
Blue? Okay, let's try it. Let's see. Hopefully it's blue.
Yeah.
Yay! It's blue! Okay, Leo, are you ready to buy another bubble gum? Okay, let's buy another bubble gum.
White. Yellow.
What color is it?
8. Purple.
Purple. Nice. Okay, now it's time for the other gumball.
This green.
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! It's pink!
Pink.
Pink! Good
Okay.
job. Okay, next gumball machine. Woohoo!
And the blue.
It's a blue gumball.
Okay, next.
Okay. Turn it. Woohoo! Red gumball. Good job. Yellow. Go. Yellow.
It's Pikachu.
Yeah. This one has a yellow. That one has a yellow.
And 2 yellow.
Okay, go ahead and buy another gumball.
Purple again.
Purple again? What came out?
Yeah.
This is a huge gumball.
Yes. And by next.
How did that happen?
The wool slowly, the wool waves.
This is so cool.
Here, look that.
These are tiny gumballs, and this is a huge gumball.
It is tiny and huge.
Yeah, that one is huge. How did that happen?
Try to eat it. Okay?
You're gonna try it and eat the big gumball? Do you think I can cut the gumball? Dun dun dun.
Ba, ba, ba.
Dun dun dun. Can we cut the gumball, kids? This gumball has all the colors.
There's a blue and light green, red. Okay, cut it. Ooh,
Oh,
oh. It's boogie. It's boogie. Cut it. Whoa! Cut it with how many cuttings?
you think I can cut the colors?
Yeah! Cut it! We have buckets. We have buckets.
We're cutting, Leo.
Yeah! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Wow! Look at this.
It's good.
It has different colors.
It has orange, green, yellow. Colors! Cut.
Break it some more. We have white, yellow, green, orange, white.
It's good.
Is this cool?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at this.
Wow.
I think we even found some blue here.
Whoa, I like rainbow.
Yeah, and then some pink.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at this end.
It's big circle. Like a circle.
Yeah.
It's matching.
Big gumball. And we have the baby gumballs. Do you want to eat the baby gumballs?
Wait, poo-poo.
Put it in your mouth. And another one. One. More.
Yellow.
Yellow. What's next? Red. What's next? Green. What's next? Orange. Can you put more in? Purple. Blue. One more. Blue. One more. Yellow. Can you chew? Is it a lot of bubble gum? How many stars do you give these gumballs machines? 5 stars for the gumball machines. 5 stars. Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Subscribe. Until next time.